Folding electric bikes are revolutionizing urban mobility and travel in 2026, offering a perfect blend of portability, power, and practicality. Whether you're commuting through city streets, navigating public transit, or exploring scenic routes, a folding e-bike gives you the flexibility of an electric ride with the convenience of compact storage. Advances in battery technology, torque sensors, and folding mechanisms have made today's models more capable than ever, balancing speed, range, comfort, and ease of use. From daily commuters to adventure seekers, there's a folding e-bike here to match every rider's needs and budget. Number 1. Aventon Sinch 2.5. The Aventon Sinch 2.5 is a versatile folding electric bike that blends portability, performance, and comfort for riders looking to explore both urban streets and light off-road trails. Built with a Class 2 e-bike system, it pairs a 500-watt rear hub motor, 1,056 watts peak, with a 48-volt battery to deliver smooth pedal assist and throttle support up to 20 miles per hour, offering a practical balance of power and efficiency. One of the Sinch 2.5's standout features is its foldable step-through aluminum frame, which makes it easy to store in a car trunk, RV, or apartment closet without sacrificing ride quality when unfolded. The bike includes hydraulic disc brakes for strong stopping power, a suspension seat post for added comfort, and 4-inch fat tires that handle varied terrain with confidence. Integrated front and rear lights plus turn signals boost safety and visibility on city streets or trail paths. With a range of up to about 55 miles on a single charge under ideal conditions and a total weight capacity around 300 pounds, the Sinch 2.5 suits casual riders and daily commuters alike. It also comes with practical accessories like a rear rack and fenders, making it ready for adventures or errands straight out of the box. Priced around $1,799. Number 2. Engwe Engine Pro 2.0. The Engwe Engine Pro 2.0 is a rugged, folding electric bike designed for outdoor adventures and daily rides with a powerful setup and practical features. It sports a 60/61 aluminum folding frame and 20 by 4.0 fat tires that offer stability and comfort across varied terrain, from city streets to light trails. A 750-watt rated motor, 1,200-watt peak, delivers strong torque, about 75 Nm, which helps with acceleration and hill climbing capabilities. It also uses a torque sensor for more responsive pedal assist rather than a simple cadence system, improving how the bike matches your pedaling effort. Powering the Engine Pro 2.0 is a 52-volt 16Ah removable lithium battery that can provide up to 68 miles, about 110 kilometers of range on pedal assist under ideal conditions, and it typically takes around 6.5 hours to fully charge. The bike features hydraulic disc brakes and a Shimano 8-speed drivetrain for reliable performance in various conditions, while a high-brightness LCD display shows speed, battery level, and distance. Some models include full suspension to help smooth out rough surfaces. Though praised for its power and range, riders note that the Engine Pro 2.0's weight, 29.6 kilograms, and assembly can be challenging, and some reviews mention mixed after-sales support experiences. Despite that, it remains popular among riders seeking a potent folding e-bike. Price around $1,599. Number 3. Lectric XP4 750. The Lectric XP4 750 is the newest and more powerful version of Lectric's popular XP4 folding electric bike, designed for riders who want strong performance, long range, and everyday versatility without a bulky frame. It keeps the XP series' foldable, travel-friendly design so you can collapse it quickly for car trunks, storage, or apartment spaces, but adds meaningful upgrades under the hood for better ride quality and power compared with earlier models. At its core, the XP4 750 pairs a 750-watt nominal, about 1310-watt peak rear hub motor with a 17.5 amp-hour long-range battery, enabling a claimed range up to about 85 miles on a single charge under ideal conditions, and a top assisted speed around 28 miles per hour, Class 3. This setup makes it suitable for longer commutes, trail rides, and daily errands alike. The bike also includes features that elevate ride comfort and control, such as an in-house torque sensor for smoother pedal assist, a full-color TFT display, and upgraded 602 hydraulic brakes for reliable stopping power. A variety of frame options are available, including step-over and step-through models in multiple colors. While many owners enjoy the XP4 750's combination of portability, power, and long-distance capability, some rider reports suggest real-world range and reliability can vary widely depending on terrain, load, and riding style. Price around $1,299.
Number 4. Ride1Up Portola. The Ride1Up Portola is a compact folding electric bike that aims to deliver strong performance and practicality at an affordable price, making it a standout in the budget e-bike category. It features a 48-volt, 750-watt geared hub motor with about 65 Newton-meters of torque, giving you punchy acceleration and the ability to cruise at speeds up to 28 miles per hour with pedal assist and 20 miles per hour via throttle. Portola's foldable alloy frame and 20-inch by 3-inch tires make it easy to store or transport, ideal for urban riders, commuters, or anyone with limited space. The bike includes 80mm front suspension fork with hydraulic lockout for smoother rides, dual-piston hydraulic disc brakes for strong stopping power, and a reliable 8-speed Shimano Altus drivetrain that helps you manage hills and varied terrain. For power, you can choose between two battery options, a 48-volt 10.4 amp-hour pack or a larger 48-volt 13.4 amp-hour pack, offering a range up to approximately 40 miles, depending on conditions and riding style. Other thoughtful features include a rear rack rated for cargo, integrated front-rear lights, fenders, and a simple adjustable display to control assist levels and monitor ride stats. In the USA, the Ride1Up Portola is generally priced around $1,095 for the extended battery model.
Number 5. Heybike Ranger S. The Heybike Ranger S is a folding fat-tire electric bike that combines power, portability, and versatility for daily riding, commuting, and light off-road adventures. It features a sturdy aluminum step-through frame with a removable 48V 14.4 AH, approximately 692 watt-hours, UL-certified battery that delivers up to around 55 miles per charge under ideal conditions, making it suitable for longer trips or errands without frequent recharging. Ranger S comes in 750-watt and 1,000-watt motor versions, giving riders plenty of torque and top speeds above 28 to 30 miles per hour, especially on the 1,000-watt model. Its 20-inch by 4-inch fat tires, hydraulic front suspension fork, and hydraulic disc brakes help smooth out rough roads and provide better handling and stopping power in varied conditions. The bike also includes a Shimano 7-speed drivetrain for flexible pedaling, a smart LCD display with app connectivity to monitor speed and battery, and integrated LED lights for improved visibility. Its foldable design and a 400-pound weight limit make it easy to transport in a car trunk or store in tight spaces, while the rear rack adds cargo carrying capability. For many riders, the Heybike Ranger S offers a compelling mix of speed, range, and features in a compact e-bike package. Price around $999.
Folding e-bikes in 2026 blend everyday practicality with modern electric performance, making them ideal for riders who value convenience without sacrificing capability. Whether you're parking in a tiny apartment, hopping on a train, or cruising neighborhood streets, these top-rated models deliver reliable rides with varying strengths in power, comfort, or portability. As battery and motor tech continue to improve, expect even better performance from folding e-bikes in the years ahead.